Hello guys, welcome to our new video and today's celebrity Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is an American internet entrepreneur, industrialist, media proprietor, and investor who founded the multinational technology company Amazon and has also served as its CEO. Amazon has been described as one of the most influential economic and cultural forces in the world, as well as the world's most valuable brand as it focuses on e-commerce, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. It has become the world's largest online sales company, the largest internet company by revenue, and the world's largest provider of virtual assistant and cloud infrastructure services through its Amazon Web Service branch. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more update. Biography. Real name Jeffrey Preston Jorgensen. Nickname Jeff. Profession technology and retail entrepreneur, investor and philanthropist. Years active 1986 to present. Ethnicity white. Zodiac sign Capricorn. Date of birth January 12, 1964. Age 60 years as of 2024. Place of birth Albuquerque, New Mexico, US. Residence Albuquerque, New Mexico, US. Nationality American. Religion Jeff Bezos has never disclosed any details of his religious belief. Education. School Riverwalks Elementary School, Miami Palmetto High School. College Princeton University. Education qualification graduate. Career. Following his graduation from college, Bezos secured position with a variety of tech and finance firms, including Vital Bankers Trust and D.E. Shaw and Company. Afterwards, he left D.E. Shaw and Company in 1994 to launch Amazon.com. He launched it as an internet bookstore out of his Seattle, Washington, Georgia. Amazon.com had rapid growth and achieved great success. It began by providing services and selling various goods, growing into one of the world's biggest and most influential business. Bezos also purchased the Washington Post newspaper and founded Blue Origin, a firm dedicated to human spaceflight. To devote more time to other endeavors, Bezos announced in 2018 that he would be leaving his position as CEO of Amazon.com. Among this in his Bezos Day One Fund, where he strives to use charity to improve the lives of people. Jeff Bezos rose to prominence and popularity as a result of his innovative business practices. Particularly in the field of online retail, he revolutionized the way people purchase and was instrumental in the rise of internet retail as a global phenomenon by founding and serving as CEO of Amazon. Jeff Bezos is a shining star among corporate moguls in the glitzy world, both business owners and dreamers, and enthralled with his success tale. Bezos, who had modest beginnings in his garages before becoming well-known worldwide, has an unmatched vision for the growth of e-commerce. Details of Bezos' personal life are still unknown despite his success in business. Family. Father Ted Jorgensen. Mother Jacqueline Bezos. Sister Christina Bezos. Brother Mark Bezos. Wife or spouse. Spouse Mackenzie Scott, married 1993 to 2019. Children Princeton Bezos. Physical statistics and more. Height 5 feet 7.5 inches or 171.5 cm. Weight 70 kg or 154 lbs. Hair color dark brown. Eye color hazel. Distinctive feature clipped chin. Net worth. His net worth is around 186.3 billion US dollar. Interesting facts. His mother Jacqueline had him at the age of 17 when she was still a high school student. His father Ted was a unicyclist farmer at that time. Jeff's parents separated 1 year after their marriage because of his biological father was an alcoholic that made him an inactivated father and husband. Jeff's stepfather, a Cuban immigrant, adopted him when he was 4 years old, hence gave him his last name Bezos. Jeff found out he was adopted at the age of 10 but never felt the urge to track his biological father thereafter. Thereafter, he joined eShaw, where he was designed as the company's youngest vice president again at the age of 28 in 1992. He was the senior vice president in 1994 here when he finally decided to quit his job because nobody at eShaw believed in his business idea of starting an online company. According to the Land Report magazine 2017 edition, Jeff Bezos is the 28th largest landowner in the USA. Favorite things. Favorite author Cormac McCarthy. Favorite novel Remains of the Day by Kazuo Ishiguro. Favorite movie Star Trek. Favorite personalities Walt Disney, Thomas Edison. House. Jeff Bezos lives in a luxurious house which is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, US. Social media profile X handle 6.3 million followers. Instagram 4.3 million followers.